If you are an ardent gamer and you always use the game mode on your iPhone, here I'm going to show you how to get game mode on iOS 18. So the iOS 18 reshovels almost everything, and you need to take your time to study the new OS to understand how it works. Here I'm going to save you the stress on how you can use the game mode on your iPhone, and I'm going to show you how to get this quite straight away on iOS 18. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So to start with, let's say you open any game just like this. So I'm going to open the temporary run game. You can see the game mode is going to be turned off automatically. You see that? Now, how do you now access the game mode on your iOS 18 device so that you can play this game smoothly using the game mode feature? Now, to get the game mode, all you need to do is swipe down like this. Then locate the name of the game you are playing. You see that? So here I'm playing the temporary run. Then click on game mode, opposite it. Then you have the option to turn on game mode and turn off game mode. You see, when game mode is on, background activities is paused to optimize the performance of this game. So for optimized gaming experience, just need to make sure you turn on game mode. Now click on game mode to turn this on or turn it off. So when this is turned on, your iPhone background activities will be disabled and you'll be able to have a smooth experience playing the game. Now to turn it off again, repeat the process. Click on the game name and then tap game mode, and this is going to turn off the game mode. So this is how you can easily get game mode on your iPhone running iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.